I'm at Spy Coast Horse Farm and Rehabilitation Center in Kentucky. Gonna do a little tour today, a little horse farm tour. And I'm really not sure what this encompasses, but I'll take you along with me if they let me. I don't know, but this place is huge. I mean, driving down the road, it's on the side there, and then we finally get to this big gate and come down, and just what a beautiful area. All right, a little additional information. This farm is 850 acres, huge. So it goes across the road. We'll show you that. And like 400 and 450 kind of divided on each side of the road. They keep the babies. They keep the pregnant mares on that side. Is that what they call them? Mares? I don't know. There are so many different names for horses. They told us that it's hard for me to keep track of. But what an amazing piece of property. And they put a ton of money and infrastructure into it. They got a little gift shop here, and we got this little guy. This little guy standing guard. This little cutie pie. Hello.
Now these boys would have gotten turned out this morning. This is kind of like the fancy assisted living complex. These boys have had illustrious careers and they're retired to stud. So just like your thoroughbred, you hear about your thoroughbred horses, yep. Retired to stud. They come in at night. They come in around 3 in the afternoon. They all get groomed. So let me tell you about this boy. He was a Grand Prix show jumper, Olympic level boy. He is 23 years old. Oh, wow. And he is a Belgian warm blood. So we have a Belgian warm blood. We have some Français. Stallion does a quarantine period of time for 27 days, and a mare does 14 days. Okay. It's a federal law. It's like any other animal that comes into the country. You gotta follow the rules.
Do you guys arrange for all the transport from another country? Like,
actually, the person who's purchased the horse arranges that.
Okay.
So that person hires us to do the quarantine stint for those horses.
Right. Okay.
So it's.
So is there other companies that will actually do the whole?
There's 27. There's 27 quarantine facilities in the United States. Normally, people choose something that's relatively close to where they are. Yeah. We offer a little extra stuff here. So we have turnout for those stallions. All these paddocks are private turnout. We can exercise that horse for you. We can put them on a treadmill for you. We can all sorts of different things to help kind of manage their stay here, so they don't lose their fitness and those sort of things. So. Exactly.
Same, regular.
And you know that's where American Pharoah is now.
In Japan.
He's in Japan. I think they took out, had an IV. He had an IV to his eye, but horses' eyes are very fragile. So a lot of times we will wet our feet. I do that for my horses every day. It just helps their gut. It's good for their digestion. Also, it's hydration. So it says thank you. It says thank you, Sarah. Here. Yum yum.
He loves these ones.
He's a gentle giant. He's a big old boy.
Big horse, yeah. Wow.
He's probably 18 hands, I would say. And he has dinner plate feet. Look at his feet, how big they are.
Yeah, this is a big one.
He is a big dude. But very kind, very friendly. Wouldn't you say, Sarah? Very sweet horse.
Oh, he's wonderful. He has a special salt rock, if you look in here, that's on the
nope,
string.
sorry.
You can walk up close to her.
Oh, okay.
Right there. And this is because when he's eating, he has a tendency to push the hay there, and when he's so big, he'll hit his head on the salt rock. So we have a string there. And it's mineral salt.
Yeah.
It's like a salt lick, like for deer.
I mean, isn't this the Himalayan type? Yeah, this is the Himalayan salt.
That's
My horse loves this. My horse loves this. Mine are spoiled.
And now, because it's getting warm, they open the bottom door and
Get some more air. Idea.
It's a horse scale.
They're dropping a lot of weight or something like that.
Little Garth.
As we go in through here, this, like I said, is all babies and mamas. On the right-hand side, as we roll down this way, you're going to see some very, very pregnant mares. In fact, they are about 30 days or less from their due date. And they live in this paddock once they get to that point because they're going to come in at night. It's just safer. They come in at night. 9 times out of 10, your mares will have their babies late at night or early morning. Hey.
That one's ready to pop right
She
there.
really looks close. And this one here too, she's big too, but that one is nice. She's licking some salt. A little salty potato.
That baby 4 days old. And this baby was just born yesterday.
Yesterday morning.
Wow. Oh.
They sleep a lot when they're brand new. Nurse and sleep. She's just foot sore.
She about to pop?
She's foot sore. She's got those easy rider feet.
She's about to pop, huh?
Probably. It's okay, girl. No brain freeze. You must be getting too fat.
Hello. Oh, nice one.
They don't have front teeth, the grazing teeth when they're born. It usually takes 6 to 10 days.
Oh, look, baby's up.
Look how cute.
Hello.
Aren't you cute? So mom's dropping her food all over me.
Oh, yeah. Mom's dropping the food on us, licking it off a little bit.
So you know what? They're born with this little fleshy fabric over their front hooves. And it's just to protect the placenta while they're inside, and then they start to stand and nurse. It comes off. You want to say hello? Do you have any teeth in there yet? Oh, you do. I feel it. Yes, you do. So they become friendly pretty quick. Those are handled every day.
Yeah. She eats the people.
Oh,
Don't like me, huh? I'm a scary guy.
he'll come back. I don't know if you noticed when it came up to us, you could still see where the umbilical cord was.
Oh, no.
And the umbilical cord, yeah, see
Oh,
that
there,
little,
yeah.
that's where it was. And it breaks away as soon as they come out. It's interesting.
What is that out there?
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
That
That
tower.
is a really beautiful farm called Castleton Lyons.
Oh.
And that's owned by an Irish family. So if you've ever traveled in Europe, that Ryanair, that off-price,
Oh, yeah.
it's that
Yeah,
family.
that's them.
I've
That's
flown
them.
Oh, really?
hmm
I've flown
They
that
they
airlines.
raise thoroughbreds there,
Wow.
and that is an Irish lookout tower that they built probably 25 years ago. Windy Corner Market. It's all farm to table, setting outdoors. Everything's homemade, delicious. I
All
highly
right.
recommend
And thank you for the tour. We
You're so
appreciate
welcome.
it.
Glad you had
This is
fun.
Lisa. Come out here and get a tour from her. We just got done at the horse farm, and they suggested we go eat at a real good place here in the middle of horse country, just on the outskirts of Lexington, Kentucky. And this is the place here, Windy Corner Market. They told us it's excellent food, and you can see we are in the sticks. Not really, but just horse farm country. Lots and lots and lots of farms over here. Let's see. I'll tell you what, it sure smells good here. Windy Corner. This is it. Hopefully we can get a table. Oh yeah, there's some tables. All Alright, I'm getting the Wendy's crispy chicken sandwich. It's marinated in a pickle brine. And I'm gonna get potato salad instead of french fries. Alright, I ordered a cup of soup with my lunch as well. 30 bucks. No, 25 bucks with tip. I think it was 21 plus 25 bucks with tip. Alright, my food has arrived. Look at this sandwich. Got some cheese on it. I got potato salad, but I could have just ordered this. I didn't know I ordered a soup. This is they called it some sort of bread. I think it's like a cornbread type of pancake with the bean soup. I ordered way too much. Let's try this bean soup. Oh, that's fantastic. If you like navy bean soup with pork or whatever in it, this is so good. Try a piece of this pancake looking thing. Like a cornbread pancake. They got some onions and butter. Wow, that's really good. Alright guys, look at this sandwich. This is gigantic. Try the chicken. Great seasoning, so like a super crunchy, so good. A thick, huge chicken breast. I gotta tell you though, the soup and this cornbread pancake thing. Look at this. It's delicious. Definitely the star of the show, but the chicken's very good too. All right, that was some delicious southern chicken, and that bread, I don't know the name, I forgot the name, but it was really good. It was like a pancake, but it was cornbread, but it was good. It was good. This is the place. So cool out here. So beautiful. All these farms and stables. Awesome.